Guys, I finally got my apartment. I'm going to go and make payment today. Okay, so have I got today because I've not paid? So I don't know. I'm at a filling station currently. The driver wants to get full. So yeah, I'm on my way. This mama is acting excited. I don't even know if I'm excited or not. Because millions about to leave my account. It's about to leave my account. God, I beg. I have some things that I want them to fix for me, and it's giving me worry because like I'm an overthinker. I'm just hoping they do it. They keep telling you when you pay, we do it. So they don't want to spend their money. Just hoping they will. Oh yeah, I'm just leaving everything to God because I can overthink. Oh, chim. Just I think I feel at peace the way I choose. Let me just walk with it. Let me not spoil it and start all over again. Because it's small thing now. It's scatter thing. Yeah. I'll update you guys when I pay. If I get there safe and sound, I'll come back. Oh, this was such. Would I say an emergency move? I did not. No. I had to get ready in a month, and God came through. Even before a month, God came through. Because don't worry, I shall not put you to shame. These people want to shame you, but past them. Don't worry. I'm going to miss my house because like I didn't even plan to leave. House something now made me further appreciate my house. My house gonna look like palace. I said, oh my God, is this what I've been enjoying? There is rubbish outside. Is this what I've been enjoying? What they say about you don't value what you have to lose it is real. I swear. I can't look my parlor, look my kitchen, look everywhere like wow, this is all mine. I'm leaving. Only God knows how much you go for my house now. Maybe times 2 of the price. It's crazy. People are looking for a house, I tell you. Guys, I'm at the filling station now. I've made payment for my house. Oh my God, I totally forgot I was vlogging. I'm so stressed. Can you see my eyes? I've made payments, millions have left my account. I tell you. What's it called? So God, I beg. Can't wait for God to replenish me. I pray replenishes me soon. So yeah, paid, and I'm spoken to the lawyer and said we'll come and sign an agreement maybe on Monday. Today was Saturday, so yeah. Thank you so much for watching my vlog, and I pray if you're hoping to get an apartment soon, God will give you a great one, affordable rate, good people. Mighty name of Jesus, amen. Kindly like and subscribe, share. Bye. Surprise signing out.